for calling Internal Revenue Service. This is Officer Fab. How may I help you today?
Yes, hello. I'm calling back in reference to a message that was left on my voicemail.
Uh-huh.
So what?
So you got a voicemail or you just call?
I got a voicemail. Yeah, I got a voicemail. Like something about a lawsuit?
Okay. May I have your phone number on which you received the voicemail so I can pull out your case file
Sure.
and make you aware what is this
Sure.
all about?
Yeah, the phone number 802 3.
Okay.
It's 303
303.
64 19.
19 or 90?
64 19. 19.
64
Well,
19.
that's right.
Okay.
Yes,
May I
yes.
have your first or last name so I can
Sure.
pull out your case file in my system?
Sure.
And make you aware
Yeah.
what is this all about?
The first name is Bernie,
Yes, may I,
Bernie.
okay.
The last name is
Journey.
Sanders, Sanders.
Okay. Journey Sandra. Hold the line for a moment so I can pull out your case file in my system and make you aware what is this all about.
Okay,
Grab a pen and piece of paper. Grab a pen and piece of paper handy. I want you to write down your case file number, okay?
okay,
So, ready with the pen and paper?
yes. Got it.
Okay. Danny, I just got your case file. So, write down your case file number. It's P as in Charlie, P as in Peter, 192564, and then M as in Mummy. This is your case file number.
That's very long, but okay. Not a problem. All right.
CP 192564, M as in Mummy.
Phi.
Okay?
Phi. Can you spell phi?
Okay.
How do you spell phi?
Five.
Phi.
Five.
I don't know what number that. Like
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
As in Charlie.
No, I got the number. But that's like what? Phi
Okay.
is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Like that?
Yes, like that.
Okay.
Five.
Okay. All right. Not a problem. Go ahead.
Okay. So now I just got your case file, and as I can see here, here is something wrong with your taxes.
Oh boy.
So we called you. To ascertain your attorney's information
Oh God.
that there are some legal allegation and lawsuit is being filed against you by the Internal Revenue Service. So are you aware about the situation?
I have absolutely no idea what is going on. You know, I'm busy in the
Okay.
Senate. I'm casting votes all day long. I don't know what's going on. No, what is going on here?
Okay. Danny, as I can see here, the reason behind this call is to make you aware about the situation.
Okay.
That's why Internal Revenue Service has been trying to contact you. So are you aware about the situation and are you aware about your lawsuit?
Well, I'm not really that surprised. I have a funny feeling that maybe the FBI has something to do with this because they're looking into me and my wife's finances and all this stuff. But lawsuit, I didn't know anything about. No, I didn't know anything about this at all.
Okay. If you are not aware about the situation, then what can I do for you? I can read out this affidavit file for you so you can come to know what is this all about. But before, I want to notify you that this lens is being recorded and monitored by the Internal Revenue Service.
The
I would
lens,
request you
the lens,
to not
Go ahead.
Okay. So I would request you to do not interrupt me in a between while I'm giving you the information. And once I'm finished, I'll give you a fair and enough time to speak if you have any question, okay?
Now, is it that I cannot ask any questions because you will lose your place in the script? Is that the problem here?
I didn't get you what you mean with that.
Forget it.
As
No,
I
don't.
can see here, you are not aware about the situation.
I am
That's
not.
why in my system, I have your affidavit case file, which
Oh
I
my
have to read
God.
out for you.
I don't believe. Oy vey, I don't believe this. Go ahead. What's the affidavit?
Okay. No, if you won't believe, then you can simply hang up this call. Do not waste my time because this is not my lawsuit. This is just for you. Okay? If you won't believe, then you can simply hang up this call. So so our system will take a refusal action against you and go ahead legally against. Okay?
Well, it's not okay, but go ahead. Read.
And with us inside the courthouse.
What? What? What about a courthouse? What?
But if you want to read, if you want to make you aware, and if I want to read this case file for you, so that's why I need to read this affidavit case file for you, so you can come to know what is this all about. So that's why I'm going to read out this affidavit file for you.
Okay.
So now,
Okay.
listen to me.
Yes.
The reason of my call is to inform you that we found some serious allegation on your tax filing.
Oh boy.
So what happened is that we have done a random audit on your tax filing for the few years, and we found the miscalculation in your tax filing. So miscalculation in the sense that you have paid your taxes on time, but you are not paying your taxes with the appropriate amount. That doesn't mean we are not denying that you are not paying your taxes. No, you are paying your taxes and you are a genuine taxpayer, but you are not filing your taxes with the correct amount. So on the basis of this miscalculation of your tax return, the audit department has calculated the final tax amount, which is actually more than the tax amount you paid to the Internal Revenue. So our audit department has got a strong evidence that this was not your innocent act or negligence. It was willful act done with intent to defraud with the Internal Revenue Service. So according to the federal allegation, section 38 and column number 79, here is a 4 allegation pressed under your name. So first allegation is a violation of the Federal Tax Evasion Internal Revenue Act in 56. Second allegation under your name, violation of the Internal Revenue Code. Third allegation, theft by deception. And fourth allegation is willful misrepresentation of information to the government organization. So according to the Internal Revenue Code 6331H, IRS has decided to forcefully recover the taxes by taking the following steps. That means IRS decided to forcefully recover this amount from you by involving the Internal Revenue Code 6331H against you. So now I'm going to explain you what is the meaning of Internal Revenue Code 6331H for you. This means IRS will mark a lien on your assets, including your house and cars. All your known bank accounts could be frozen and confiscated, which means you are not able to access your bank account till the time it's frozen, and IRS will recover your tax debt from balance available in your bank account. Your social security number will be blacklisted, and all your wages and benefits would be frozen by informing your employer and the government bodies.
No,
And if
we
you
can't.
have any existing
We,
payment
we
plans
can't
with
do
the
that.
Internal
We
Revenue,
can't do
then
that.
it would be terminated under Section 30. Sorry?
Well, I'm just looking here, and I see that the Taxpayer Relief Act of 1997 added Section 6331H to the code in order to provide for a continuous levy of up to 15% of any specified payment due to or received by a taxpayer. It defines a payment as any federal payment other than a payment for which eligibility is based on income or assets or both of a payee.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah, yeah.
And because as I can see here, IRS will get a non-billable arrest warrant issued under your name. So with this, I have briefed you about the case. Right now, the total outstanding amount under your name is $3,786. But once this case goes to the courthouse, you have to pay with your penalty charges, that with your legal charges and with your late fees. That means up to $12,000. Otherwise, you will be arrested for the next 5 years. So before I sign the paper for a legal action against you and forward it to your local authorities to get you arrested, whatever doubts or question you have, ask them. I just need to know why you have done such a thing. It's a mistake or it's an intentional activity from your end.
Well, officer, I have to say that this has to be some sort of unintentional mistake, because I have a very prestigious position with the United States government, and we cannot, can you hear me? We cannot go to court with this. We cannot make the papers. I cannot be the headlines. Let me just, it was unintentional, but we have to keep this out of the courthouse because...
Right now, your lawsuit is being filed against you by the Internal Revenue Service, and at this point of time, your case is inside the courthouse. So today, within the next couple of hours, your case will be downloaded inside the courthouse, and the Federal Sheriff Department will generate a warrant ID under your name.
Okay, listen.
Send the police officer
Listen to me. Listen to
for
me.
defrauding the
Listen to me.
Internal Revenue.
Listen to me.
And
Listen to
once you
me.
are getting arrested,
Listen to me. Listen to me.
you're
Listen to me.
interrupting.
Listen, I am. Yes, you're right. I am. Listen to me. We have to keep this out of the courthouse. I cannot make the morning papers with my name headlines spread all over the paper. I can't do that. Can't do that. No, 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 no. We've got to keep this out of the courthouse. Keep it on the down low. Do you understand what down low means?
I want to know intention. You want to take care of the situation, or you want to fight the case with us by hiring a criminal attorney and by facing the consequences. That means your bank account will be freezed and your social security number will be blacklisted. IRS will mark a lien on your assets, included your house and car. Because in the next 30 to 35 minutes, your case will be downloaded inside the courthouse, and the Federal Sheriff Department will generate a warrant ID under your name and send the police officer to arrest you for defrauding the Internal Revenue. And once you are getting arrested, you have to spend the next 48 hours inside the custody. It would be a non-bailable custody, and then you will be represented inside the courthouse with your criminal attorney, where you have to pay $12,000 with your penalty charge, with your late fees.
Oh boy.
And with your outstanding amount.
Oh boy.
So now I need to take your statement that what are your fair intention. Do you want to fight the case with us inside the courthouse? So do you have a criminal attorney?
I have an attorney. I guess he could be my criminal attorney, I guess.
Okay, so that means you want to fight the case with us inside the courthouse by facing the consequences, right? So I can
You sound like,
play this inside the courthouse.
you know, the young people, they love me. You sound like a very young guy. Maybe you voted for me. Are you a Democrat? Are you a Democrat?
It is none of your concern. We are not here to give personal information, right?
Did you vote?
I just want to make you aware about this. I just want to make you aware about the situation. And
Oh God, you voted for Clinton. Oh my God, you voted for Clinton, didn't you? Oy. I'll fight it. I guess I'll have to fight it in the courthouse. I'll fight it.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not an issue. Hire a criminal attorney for yourself in the next 45 minutes. Because once you got disconnect this line from your end, we have to take a legal action against your arrest warrant. That means we have to release your arrest warrant at your local county sheriff.
Let me
Do
ask
you
you,
have any intentions to rectify the situation?
let me ask you a question. Just, between between me, okay? Just between the two of us, all right?
This is a recorded line.
I don't
And
care.
this is a monitored from the
Oh,
insurance revenue.
recorded line. I'll ask it anyway. What if maybe, you and I, we could work out some kind of terms so that the whole charge thing, it just disappears into thin air. Maybe I could maybe give you an iTunes card that I could give you and make the whole thing just disappear. What do you say?
No, this is not a right method to clear the outstanding amount.
Yeah, but we gotta bend the rule. Yeah, but listen, young man. We have to bend the rules because of my position with the government. So we have to bend the rules here. So here, it's X as in X-ray. 3, whiskey, Mike, 4, Zulu, 6, Lima, Kilo, X-ray, Yankee, 5, Quebec, Kilo, Charlie, and Victor. And he must have voted for Clinton because he hung up. Oy, oy, oy. What kind of trouble I am now.